It's Monday and I am back with another low ingredient dinner. This week what we're doing has 4 ingredients. We are going to make bubble up chicken pot pie casserole. The ingredients this are going to be chicken, mixed vegetables, cream of chicken soup, and biscuits. That's it. Super easy. You probably have all of that in your house. Normally I would boil my chicken and then shred it, but I forgot to do that and I don't feel like boiling it right now, so I decided to season it up. We've got it in the cast iron skillet right now. I'm cooking it on each side about 4 minutes or so, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven to finish it off. On it, I've got salt, pepper, garlic salt, onion powder, accent flavor seasoning, keeping it nice and simple on that. I've got this side going about 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to pop that in the oven. While I am waiting for that to cook, I am going to mix 1 bag of frozen vegetables. You can use whatever vegetables you want. This mix has carrots, corn, peas, and green beans, my favorite. And I'm going to mix that with 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. And then I am going to I am going to put that into a small casserole dish. Okay, chicken is in the oven to finish off. I went ahead and put my mixture into this casserole dish. This pan is a little bit bigger than I would normally use for this, but if you've watched my other videos, you know we're in the process of moving, so you got to do with what you can do. Now I am going to take 1 can of buttermilk biscuits, the 8 count, and I'm going to cut each of these into quarters. So I cooked our chicken about 75% in the oven, diced it up, and put it in the casserole because the rest of it is going to cook in the oven with the rest of the food. Now what I'm going to do is finish off our biscuits. So I originally said cut these in quarters. I decided that since I'm using a longer dish, I actually cut them into quarters and then broke them into even smaller little pieces just so we make sure we cover the whole top. And then we are going to take 2 ounces of melted butter and drizzle that over the top of the biscuits. This is how they're going to get a nice golden brown on top. And then you're just going to kind of carefully toss it so the butter gets all over without mashing them together in one giant piece. And when you're done with this part, you're just going to sprinkle them on the top of the casserole, cover with foil, and you're going to put in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes, excuse me. This is roughly what it's going to look. The muffins on top, you're going to put your foil on, pop her in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes till golden brown. Here we have the delicious looking finished product. Bon appetit.